إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونستهديه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Today is a day of joy, of celebration, of praising God in all of His majesty, to proclaim His greatness. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Today is the day of Eid al-Fitr, the first day of the month of Shawwal, coming after the month of Ramadan. And we are commanded in it to celebrate, to be joyous, to be happy, to be warm, to be kind, to smile, to be playful, and to rest. Indeed, it is haram, absolutely forbidden.
Second.